My kids don't eat at school. So I know when they walk through this door, they're about to be hungry. So I'm making one of their favorites today, which is rotel. What's a meal that you used to cook and it used to last you a day or two, but you cook it now and it does not last? Whether it's because inflation or because your kids just got older and they eat way more, like what's a meal? I used to be able to cook rotel, tacos, but anything pasta like, and it would last a day or it would last at least 2 days. Now this rotel gonna be gone today. There's not gonna be any leftovers. Boy. How's your day?
Good, how are you?
I'm good.
Good.
Hi.
Hi.
You're welcome.